Thanks very much for tuning in. Let's get you the latest updates, and the pictures also coming across from inside the room where currently opposition MPs are meeting. They have arrived at the parliament there and they are holding a strategy meeting there as to how they will be taking on the government. Once at 11 a.m. we're looking at the parliament to reconvene. Let me straight away go across to Piyush. Piyush, we're getting to know that Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, other opposition members also at the meeting. It is being said that includes parties like DMK, the TMC, the NCP, the Shiv Sena, the RJD. We're looking at most of these leaders now participating in the opposition strategy meet. Well, the leaders currently are meeting in Parliament there as around 11 a.m. we're looking at the Parliament to convene for the day. But this is once again, the opposition party leaders are coming together and planning and strategizing how they will take on the centre once again. Let me go back to Piyush now. Piyush, the updates from the opposition party meeting.
Amita, right now the meeting is underway inside the parliament where around 15 political parties, opposition political parties are holding a meet inside the parliament, and after this they might go to Jantar Mantar and then sit there on dharna. My colleague Anuj is also picking few details. What we are getting to know is that there are two things those are now being discussed. Is that either they can sit there at Jantar Mantar around 1 p.m. on dharna, or they can sit there at Vijay Chowk, which is right in front of Parliament, and protest against the government. The discussion right now is underway. The strategy meet is underway where opposition political parties have joined in. Top leaders of the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi, Jairam Ramesh, Mallikarjun Kharge, they are also present. In fact, this is an opposition meet which is being joined, in which Rahul Gandhi has also joined. Remember that a couple of days back there was a meet which was chaired by Rahul Gandhi personally at Constitution Club, and in that particular meet, 17 opposition political parties were invited. Two had skipped that meet, Aam Aadmi Party and BSP, but today Aam Aadmi Party has joined opposition's meet. So after this meeting, they are going to corner the government on various issues, including Pegasus report, also on the rising prices, farm laws. These are the issues on which the opposition is going to counter the government, and they are all set to either leave for Jantar Mantar or they are going to sit on dharna at Vijay Chowk. We'll have to wait and watch what is the strategy on which opposition will be working on. We have seen as to how since the 19th of July, when monsoon session of Parliament began, Parliament is not functioning, and opposition is not letting Parliament to function on Pegasus. Government has been time and again telling to
barely a week to go before the monsoon session ends, but this time around we've hardly seen any debates, any of the parliament, both houses barely functioning because of the opposition ruckus that they continue, even with the Prime Minister and the centre taking all effort there to make sure that there is some sort of a discussion or a debate that happens on the floor of the House. But the opposition doesn't seem to be letting go. That is those inside pictures from the Parliament where more than 10 opposition party MPs are currently meeting.